Alright, hello, my name is Javier, I'm from Utsource, and we do have a company out in Los Angeles, and I want to see if you're satisfied with our parts.
Yeah, I'm very pleased to receive chips from Utsource. In fact, I'm using those chips to rebuild vintage electronics from the 70s and the 80s, including synthesizers and recording consoles and mixing consoles.
Oh, okay, I'm glad to hear that. I just want to let you know if you were, were you when you purchased your items? If everything good on our website?
Everything was great. I'm buying in bulk quantities, so I'm getting bulk discounts from you guys, so I appreciate that. And I put them to good use. We're trying to reinvigorate this old technology by using new chips to upgrade things to make them sound even better than they were in the beginning.
Oh, okay, that sounds really interesting. And how would you share your parts, like with other?
So I actually am in the business of retail. So after I rebuild these consoles and synthesizers, I sell them to clients who are in the music industry.
Oh, okay.
And it's been a very rewarding line of work for me. I'm a restoration artist, so I have a lot of experience in rebuilding and revivifying this old technology using these new microchips that you guys at Utsource supply me.
You are teaching in the UCLA.
No, actually, I'm developing treatment for Alzheimer's disease. I'm a neuroscientist.
Oh, neuroscientist.
But I have a dual career as a musician and as a neuroscientist. So it's been both things for me.
Just kidding. This one is from 1970s.
This
and
one is
good.
from the 80s. This
No,
one
it's
is from this is from the late 70s. This is a new console,
Yeah.
54 series, which was used for broadcast radio. In fact.
Here, can you introduce this one to me?
Yeah, this is a single channel from a recording console that would be used in the studio, and that those are the chips that I replace with the chips that I buy from Utsource.
Thank you. Okay.
And
Do they work?
They work great.
Yeah, thank you for supporting our website and our products. And we are so happy that you can use our website and get your obsolete parts.
Oh, that's really the important thing, because it's been a big problem to source a lot of these obsolete microchips.
Thank you so much. That's a wonderful
Sure.
studio we have, see.
Yeah,
And
glad
they will
to have
see
you.
all the wonderful